are here today with some delicious, well, we're doing a delicious chili recipe. So got to thinking, it's awfully chilly outside.
It's really cold today.
It's really cold today.
It's like the first, I think, well, we had the snow day, but
yeah,
it's just cold.
But it's frigid. So this was, I'm so glad that we scheduled today to do 3 different chilies. But this segment is just a traditional beef chili. And this actually is kind of a spin-off of your dad's recipe, right?
Right. But my dad used to use the 5-alarm chili kit. I think we used to get it from Sam's years ago, but they don't make it anymore. And just over the years, I have collected all the spices, so I'm like, I'm not going to buy the kit. I'm just going to make my own.
Yeah.
But the only thing is I never measure. So we're going to try to
come up with some sort of recipe to put in the comments below.
Right.
You know, one of my greatest memories growing up, so my mom did all the cooking in the house until of course she taught me, and then I helped a lot when I was older. But my dad would make he had a huge pot, and my mom would get all the stuff out for him. He'd put on his apron and he would make a huge pot of chili. They'd freeze it up and they'd have it all winter long. And he did that every year, and that was like the only thing. And I honestly didn't like chili as a kid, so I was always like,
I didn't either. I didn't eat hamburger as a kid. So.
Yeah, but I love it now. Yeah. So anyway, I'm excited to try your.
And chili's, people like it different ways. So I'm just going to show you my way that I do it, and so we started with, it's probably a little over a pound of ground beef with a heaping cup of diced yellow onions. So we just brown that down, and then I always drain it. I don't like all that excess fat, so I drained it. So it's just looks like that. And we're going to turn this back on.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you start handing me the cans.
Great. You want to do the beans first?
So let's do the beans first.
Okay.
So I'm a big Brooks chili beans girl, and I like the mild.
I do too. I love them. Did you want those?
I think I only want one right now.
One. Okay.
Once again, I usually don't measure.
Okay.
So a can of that.
Can of kidney beans.
I love kidney beans, and I just drain off the top. That top kind of. I don't know what you want to call it.
Can of pinto.
Love pinto beans in our chili.
I love pinto beans in anything. I mean, they're amazing. Do you want to get a little bit of that out?
I do. Thank you.
Okay. And then are we going to go ahead and add our diced tomatoes?
Let's add our diced tomatoes.
2 cans of those.
Actually, we got a can of diced tomatoes and a can of tomato sauce.
Oh, got it. Okay. Nice. Oh.
Okay. Well, actually, I need to grab some water.
How much water do you need?
Let's fill this can up. Fill this up with water, and I'll see how much I need to put in it. Once again, I'm so used to eyeballing this that. All right, give that a good stir. And then I'm going to add just a half a can of the diced green chilies. Let's just do it. Yeah. We'll do
Okay.
That.
Perfect.
Okay, so add a little bit of water, and let's see where we. That's good.
Okay.
So yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Yeah, so about a half a can of the.
I like it thicker.
And this is the, what are these? That's a 30 ounce can, so half a can of water.
So about 2 cups, right? Is that 2 cups? Or a cup? Probably a cup.
I don't know, half a can. Okay, so here it is. And then I need 3 tablespoons of the chili powder.
Okay.
Which is,
3 tablespoons of that.
Okay. Chili has been
So excited.
simmering for about a little over an hour, I think.
Yeah. Your dad's beef chili. Yours and your dad's.
Well, yeah. Inspired by
Papa.
Yeah.
Looks delicious.
It really does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yum.
Okay, that looks. And so, I mean, you can top it with anything you want, but
Yeah. Honestly, I do like a few little oyster crackers on top.
Just do that.
Yeah, but I don't need much.
No.
Okay, it looks smoking hot.
It is smoking hot.
Okay, I'm gonna take that piece of beef because I know that's not the most exciting part to you.
No, I'm a bean girl.
And I love beans too. I love pinto beans. Those are like, delicious.
Okay.
Woo!
I can't believe you just put that right in your mouth.
Will you? Well, And actually, it's funny. Mark would love this because it's so hot. I like it to cool down a bit because I feel like you can taste the flavors more. I mean, that is so good.
It's a little spicy though.
You think? I don't think it's too spicy. One more little bite.
Let me see.
Yeah, I really didn't. I wouldn't call this spicy.
Okay.
Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Cool it down a little bit. Yeah, you can see the steam coming off of it.
I don't think I can feel anything in my mouth at this point.
Really?
I just burnt my mouth.
Well,
I think it's a little spicy. So if you, like, I could not feed this to my mom. Like if Joan had this, she'd probably reach over and punch me. So the cayenne, you could probably back off a little bit.
you could. But I will say,
Tim will love this.
I think that's
I love it.
moderately spicy. It does not seem, I wouldn't call it spicy.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it's good. But you could always start with less. If you want to add a little bit of heat, you can.
Yeah.
Very good.
Okay.
Give it a try, guys. Let us know what you think. Be sure to comment if you make it and what you thought of it. And if you make any adjustments to the recipe, we'd love to know about it.
Yeah. So the recipe will be below. Please hit the big red subscribe button.
All right.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. So good.